Have you ever felt like life is just moving too fast and your mind can't seem to keep up? Maybe you're constantly feeling stressed, anxious, or just overwhelmed by everything in your life. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. Mental health is something we all need to take care of, but it often gets pushed aside in our busy lives. The good news, improving your mental health doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 simple, practical steps you can take to start feeling better today. These are things you can fit into your everyday routine without making huge changes to your life. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have some solid strategies to boost your mental well-being. Let's jump right into it with step number 1, get moving. You've probably heard this one before, but let me explain why it's so important. Physical activity isn't just about staying in shape. It has a direct impact on your brain. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals called endorphins. These are your brain's natural mood lifters. They help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety and give you that feel-good sensation after a workout. Even if you don't have time for a full workout, just 20 to 30 minutes of movement a few times a week can make a huge difference. And no, you don't need to go to the gym to get the benefits. Go for a walk around your neighborhood, try a quick home workout, or even dance around your room to your favorite playlist. The key is to move regularly. Your body and brain are connected, and when you take care of one, you help the other. So try to build this habit into your day. Even a 10-minute stretch in the morning can set the tone for the rest of your day. Moving on to step number 2, practice mindfulness. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly jumping from one thing to another, and we rarely take a moment to just be. Mindfulness is about being present and fully engaging with the moment without judgment. It's about paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without letting them control you. Research has shown that practicing mindfulness regularly can reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and stress. The great thing about mindfulness is that it doesn't require a lot of time, and you don't need any special tools to do it. You can start with just 5 minutes a day. Here's how. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and focus on your breathing. Pay attention to how your breath feels as it enters and leaves your body. When your mind eventually starts to wander, because it will, gently bring your attention back to your breath without getting frustrated. Over time, this simple practice can help you build immunity against life's stressors. You'll find it easier to stay calm and focused, even in difficult situations. Step 3 is all about building strong social connections. Humans are wired for connection, and having a strong support system can do wonders for your mental health. It's not just about having a lot of friends. It's about surrounding yourself with people who are positive, supportive, and genuinely care about you. When you have healthy relationships, it helps reduce feelings of loneliness and gives you a sense of belonging. Studies show that people with strong social ties tend to have lower levels of anxiety and depression. Now, I get it. Sometimes building relationships isn't easy, but start by reaching out to the people who make you feel good, whether that's a family member, a friend, or even someone from an online community that shares your interests. The important thing is to make time for social interactions, even when life gets busy. It can be as simple as scheduling a coffee with a friend, joining a group with shared hobbies, or even chatting with a coworker. The more you nurture these connections, the more supported you'll feel when times get tough. Next, let's talk about sleep. Step number 4. Sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice when life gets messy, but it's one of the most crucial factors for maintaining good mental health. When you don't get enough sleep, your brain has a harder time managing stress, processing emotions, and making decisions. Sleep is like a reset button for your brain. It helps you recover from the day and prepares you to take on tomorrow. Ideally, you should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. If you struggle with getting enough sleep, try establishing a bedtime routine. About 30 minutes before bed, turn off screens. Yes, that means your phone too, and give your brain time to relax. You could read, meditate, or listen to calming music to help signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Finally, we have step 5. Diet. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat. And when it comes to your mental health, it's true. The food you put into your body affects how your brain functions. A diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can boost brain health and improve your mood. On the flip side, a diet full of processed foods and sugar can lead to energy crashes and increased feelings of anxiety and depression. But don't worry, you don't have to make extreme changes to your diet overnight. Start small. Maybe swap out an unhealthy snack for a piece of fruit or add more greens to your meals. Also, don't forget to stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can affect your mood and concentration. If you're not a fan of drinking plain water, try adding some lemon or cucumber slices for flavor. Little changes like this can have a big impact on how you feel throughout the day. And there you have it. 5 practical steps you can start implementing right now to improve your mental health. To recap, get moving, practice mindfulness, build strong social connections, prioritize your sleep, and fuel your brain with the right foods. You don't have to do all of these at once. Start with 1 or 2, and as you get more comfortable, you can gradually incorporate the others. The key is consistency and making these habits a part of your everyday life. Remember, mental health is a journey, not a destination. Small steps lead to big changes over time. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on living a healthier, happier life. And drop a comment below with your own tips for maintaining good mental health. I'd love to hear what works for you. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.